I'm Mandy from Parks and Recreation. Welcome to Rectivity. Today we're going to make pumpkin dump cake. Now I got this recipe from my friend and my kid's daycare leader. Her name is Melissa Leader, lives right here in Santa Fe Springs. Now, I've been making this recipe for years and it's always a hit at any potluck. All it is, it's like a pumpkin pie, except it's better. For the pumpkin dump cake, you're going to need the following ingredients. You're going to need 1 box of yellow cake mix, 4 eggs, 1 large can of pumpkin, 2 cans of evaporated milk, a stick of butter, and sugar. For your pumpkin dump cake, you're going to add the pumpkin. You're going to add 2 cans of evaporated milk. You're going to crack in those 4 eggs. Try to keep the shells out. And then you're going to add in your 1 3/4 cup of sugar. Doesn't have to be exact. Then you're just going to stir it all up. When it looks about to this consistency, we're going to move to the next step. To your pan. Next, you're going to take your powdered cake mix and just simply sprinkle it over the top. The last step is adding the butter. So with this, I melted the stick of butter and I'm going to pour it over. You can also just cut it into little slivers, which I prefer actually, and lay it on top, because it seems to melt a little more on top. Next, you're going to set your oven, preheat it for 425. You're going to pop your pumpkin dump in there, and you're going to let it cook at 425 for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're going to lower it down to 350 degrees and let it cook for another 50. Pumpkin goodness.